Entry doors. Ferndale is a crucial service for homeowners looking to enhance their home's curb appeal and security. Our team of Ferndale door experts expertise in providing top-notch entry door installation services, ensuring that your new door fits perfectly and functions flawlessly. With a wide range of door styles and materials available, we offer custom entry doors in Ferndale that cater to your specific needs and preferences. Door replacement services in Ferndale are essential for maintaining the safety and aesthetics of your home. Our Ferndale door replacement services are designed to provide you with a seamless transition from old to new, with a focus on door durability and craftsmanship. Whether you're looking for energy-efficient doors or custom entry doors, our Ferndale door specialists have the expertise to deliver exceptional results. Front door services in Ferndale encompass everything from door repair to door upgrades, ensuring that your entryway remains in top condition. Our Ferndale door repair experts are skilled in addressing a variety of issues, from minor repairs to complete door overhauls. With our comprehensive door maintenance Ferndale services, you can rest assured that your front door will continue to perform optimally for years to come. Custom entry doors. Ferndale offer homeowners the opportunity to express their personal style while enhancing their home's security and energy efficiency. Our Ferndale door customization services include a wide range of options, from door finishes and accessories to door hardware and security features. With our door consultation services in Ferndale, you can explore the best solutions for your home, tailored to your unique requirements. Door security in Ferndale is a top priority for homeowners looking to protect their property and loved ones. Our Ferndale door security solutions include advanced locking systems, reinforced door materials, and state-of-the-art door hardware. With our door fitting services in Ferndale, you can ensure that your entry door is not only secure, but also aesthetically pleasing and functional. Energy-efficient entry doors. Ferndale are an excellent investment for homeowners seeking to reduce their energy bills and environmental impact. Our Ferndale door experts offer a range of energy-efficient door options designed to keep your home comfortable year-round. With our door design Ferndale services, you can choose from a variety of styles and finishes that complement your home's architecture while providing superior insulation. Door design in Ferndale is an art form that combines functionality with aesthetics. Our Ferndale door design services focus on creating beautiful, durable doors that enhance your home's overall appearance. From traditional to contemporary styles, our door specialists in Ferndale can help you select the perfect door to match your home's unique character. Door consultation in Ferndale is an essential step in ensuring that you choose the right door for your home. Our Ferndale door consultation services provide you with expert advice on door styles, materials, and finishes, helping you make informed decisions. With our Door Solutions Ferndale, you can explore a wide range of options that meet your specific needs and budget.